All right, February 9th, trade recap. What a day. Called out a couple. I personally did not take anything. I did not like the entry, but call out a couple. Let's get into that right now. First of all, into the day, I was looking for the bias on the hourly. On the hourly, I noticed that if I do the replay mode right here and then do this, I notice, okay, we have a hourly gap that we are bouncing from. We are also bouncing from the 50% of the daily range right here. And we have a hourly fair value gap at the levels right here. So I was like, okay, I want us to sweep the external lows right there and then move higher into the LRLR that we're seeing at that level right here, which we have LRLR, which we are right now. So that was my overall bias of the day. Now I dropped down into the 1 minute right here. Let's remove this, all that right there. We tapped into the hourly, but first of all, I want to say in the morning, I did call out the T model right there because we have made an SMT. If we look carefully right here, we have made an SMT where we swept the highs right here with the little candle on open right there, and then we shorted this. Some people made money. I think Cameron made money, and then someone else made a bit of money on that one as well. Now that comes whatever, blah blah blah. We have a 1 minute inversion right here, which looks exactly like last week. If you look carefully, last week same thing happened right there. Same thing happened right here. So I was like, okay, this is clear. This is the same thing as last week. These are nice longs. I did not take them. The reason being is right here we have a it's too choppy on open. It was too choppy on open essentially. So this is the reason I did not take it. Now after this, we had, what else did we had? We had a nice short right here that I did not call out. Reason being, we still had that high that was a bit too close in my opinion, but you can clearly see that we have made an SMT right there. Some people took it, some people made money on that, but nothing crazy. So called out was the short on open and these longs right there. None taken from me from today. Did not like it too much, but it is what it is. I'm more of a patient guy anyway, so I don't mind missing out on setup. I'd rather miss out on the setup than being like, oh, I took it, it didn't fail, but it failed, and now I feel like shit. You know what I mean? So that's what I'd rather do personally. So that is it for the trade recap of February 9th. Hope you guys had a good day as well. All the links are going to be in the description. Hopefully I see you there.